Fenty Beauty.
And that's the package.
And the colors green, pink, and blue.
That's the shimmer spray, which I've tried already. Welcome, Lavenders and Friends. In this video, myself and Carlana will be showing you the makeup as well as some wigs.
Yeah, that's shimmer.
Yeah.
And the lipsticks. Lipsticks right here.
I can't even get it, but
And then
diamond veil. I guess you have to put more. I can't
I'm
see
gonna
it.
have to put more.
Not seeing the diamond.
It's like a light thing.
These are the other products.
Oh, it's face and body.
Okay. And they try the gold.
The gold highlighter. It's really nice.
You have it?
Yeah, I have this.
So you can show that.
And then the pink. And then the greenish. And then these ones. These are the duo.
The dual ones?
Duo. Put two shades. These ones here too. I think I have this one. I have this one. This is really nice. And these are the powders. The different colors. Shades.
I don't know what this is. Nice. Is it the liner?
It looks like a liner.
The lime green, guys. And lip gloss, the bomb.
$24.
The bomb gloss.
And the foundations.
Very nice lipstick. Very mild on the hand. Very light. Very light. In texture. Here, to try none. To try. Let's try this. None. It's very light texture and the feel. Very light.
Yeah, I like.
Very nice with a shimmer.
Nice.
Very nice.
Like purplish. Thank you.
Nice. It's a light shine.
Light shine.
Beautiful. The reds are always beautiful. It's kind of a dark red. Looks like a beautiful red here. Not getting it up, but they always have beautiful reds.
Under eye. Up to 24 hours. All day wear.
Yeah, I tried to use some of these. Under eye. Okay. The moisture is good. Ooh. Very nice. This is a nice price.
Yeah. Oh, gold packaging. And the price is...
It's kind of sticky.
Yeah.
It's not like the other one. It's sticky. Perfumes. I've tried all three and they're so nice. All two. Third.
And it's by Deep Chloe.
Oh yes. Oh my. Show them again the lovely perfume. Oh, this one is so beautiful and this next and that third.
All of them, all three.
Beautiful. Mascara that works. Famous benefit.
Benefit. San Francisco. Shades up. Full brow.
Natasha. Okay.
Yours? Bubbles.
Which one we want to try? Which one you feel to try?
Maybe this one? I don't know. Sure.
Where?
Where?
Testing.
It smells good. It smells
What
really
type
nice.
of smell is it?
It is like a cool cotton. That's what it says here. It's like a light smell.
It's like a light smell.
Not
guys.
heavy.
Light smell.
No. But a little bit like
It's
in a way.
limey.
Yeah,
Limey. Can have some wigs. This is like a cherry red. I don't know the price of this. $69.99. They say they have sales. This is the pink. That. This one, I'm not sure everybody likes that front. This is the curly blonde. Bluish, aqua light green. There goes the white. The roting here. It's nice. The makeup is pretty nice on this mannequin. And the price on this one is $69.99. Some more on the top. There's another one here. They're all here. And here, this is one I like it. There's the next color one in it. And that is the rose gold. Did we miss any here? Oh, look at this one. I'm sure it doesn't wear like that. No. Yeah, it could. With nice big earrings. You can swing it this side. And wear it like this. Swing it like this side instead of that, maybe. What you guys think?
Comment down below.
Yeah, what do you think we should do with this one? With a little tip of aqua is very sweet. The blue, the gray with a touch of the sky blue. Yes, I love it. You notice the makeup that goes with it? It's a reddish makeup, burgundy-like. Love this. 64.
74.
There you go. You can always change your style all the time. That's the usual shades. And we're going to look at some more, guys. Follow us. Lavender smile. Oh, we know her. Okay. This one is nice. I think I'll make one like this for you, Kalana.
There's this one
For
here.
fun?
This one.
Oh,
With
yeah,
the
that's
braid.
cute.
This side.
Oh, definitely sweet. That's sweet. No, you gotta have the right face for this. With this face, I would need I think something here. I think, this mannequin? Okay, there. Lots of work. Nice. We're getting into the braid, yeah. And guess what? It's done with a pony. I can do stuff like that. I've done that before. Can be done with a pony. Oh, it's on that. I guess it's on that. Bring that out. I almost have time to fix that for her. She has a cute face. You're okay. We know this. 2 braids at the back, lap in across. And the part. Oh, nice. Neat and nice. Make some like that. Nice. same thing, different side. Come on here like this.
Yeah,
And we could get the whisk comes out. Take a picture of that. I love this because it's just the top, less work, and the curls underneath. Excellent. Here is the dread, the twist.
twist.
Oh, navy blue twist. Nice. Nice. I tend to like this for myself. I like softness. For now. Come on, and show them what you got. Show them your curls. Show them. There you go, all these colors. All the colors. Which one is funny? Yeah. All the colors. Nice.
But every company makes it a little bit different.
Does it exactly look like this?
And the price?
Yeah.
When you go upstairs, we don't
$79. Real nice. I'm gonna have to make videos. Some hair videos for the channel. I love making them.
But they're more expensive. But I would get this and you buy like a little half
Yeah, this is the cut. She just cut it right here.
34 for this one.
Oh yeah, she wore 34. And then you cut right here. And what we swing it up here. These are the
So
usual.
this one reminds me of the one I had.
Okay. Dance the night away. Dance the night away. To show you cotton candy blue. It's soft and nice, very soft. Wonder how much is this? Soft and nice. Ladies,
How much? 89.
it's softer. It's softer. This has a drier feel to this. I guess when you get a fresh pack out the box. Okay. Okay. Oh, we can't miss you. Got these. It's a pony. I can easily use this fast. $14.99.